So this class we will be learning about the intranet. Last class we have seen the basic of internet, and this class will be intranet. So please be concentrated with the spelling. Okay, so let's see. See, the intranet is a private network. Remember, very important part. It's a private, and internet was global network. Anyone can use internet. Small boy can use, you can use, your father, mother, my father, any person can use who is having the facility to use that. He can use. But intranet everyone cannot. Private is private purpose. Some private institution they will use these things. And what is the aim of that internet? It tells you the main purpose of an intranet, that is share company informations and computing resource among the employees. It won't for everyone, no, only for these things. Company informations to the employees, not any other persons. To understand this, please watch this picture, this photo. So it will be having one specific server, network server will be there, specific personal they will be having. With that server, there so many systems will be connected, PC. So many systems you can see here connected there. Okay, this also connected, this is connected. All these things are connected with this same network. See, this is one company, or you can say one department, defense department. Okay, or any you can tell as bank, which is private. Government sector also there, which is private. It's the network is not available for everyone. Okay, here with this network, private network, which is called intranet, so many systems will be connected and they will be talking. They are internally connected, this system, each of them. This is connected to here, this is connected to here, and this is connected to here. And which device it is connected? By the IP address. Okay, internet protocol. They will be connected to each other. Which internet protocol? Intranet. Okay, they are connected to each other. But if you go to the internet, it will be free for everyone. You also can use, everyone can use. But here, about or outside of the boundary or company or outside this range, we cannot access. Okay, so this is the special and private use purpose, privately or very difficultly or very secretly we can use this. Now we will be looking here. See, the key point of intranet, remember intranet is own server and firewall. Do you know what is own server means? It will be having some different server, not the global server. Okay, like I already told, like VSNL, from BSNL we get the connection to BSNL and BSNL to SIM. SIM will give the provide the network to us. Network means internet to us. SIM will give. But what is happening here? The SIM will not give the internet. Sorry, the connections network. We will give some special server will be there, own server, plus firewall. Firewall means protection, big protections. For example, internet, if you use internet, the protection is antivirus, anti-software. But here some specific firewall will be there. Firewall. Question asked 2019 net. What is firewall? What is firewall? Firewall, it's a protections for the intranet. Okay, which will keep the security mainly. The security will be very strong. I think you know different types of company will be there. For example, if I write here, any bank, SBI bank. You heard one story, 2019, I think the Ram Mandir Faisla came. Ram Mandir Justice, Supreme Court. They given permission to build the Ram Mandir. So after that decision only, when court they released that decision, 2-3 hours internet was stopped throughout India. Internet was stopped. Can you think internet stop means we have not used that time internet, but the banking sector was stopped that moment. Banking sector. Sometimes they used to tell link is not there. that kind of things happens. Is it? No. Banking sector is not at all connected to internet. They are connected to intranet. This question may ask example of a intranet sector. A, B, shift, G options will come. Okay. So right answer would be banking sectors or any other big high company, software company and all. So they are connected to intranet. That's why if you transfer any kind of money from your account to some other account, it cannot be hacked very easily. Very difficult to hack. It may be nowadays so many latest hackers are coming, applications are there, they can hack, but very, very difficult here. 99.99% not at all will be hacked. Okay. So if you get the 2019 only, that report was coming, one report came like all Indian bank was hacked. Even not only Indian, China bank also. Then Indian government made so many rules for that cyber security purpose. 2019. Okay. So here such things will not happen intranet purpose. Okay, because firewall is very, very strong. Because very highly affected, because highly they are protected. All this. Okay. And if you come to the normal internet, whatever is you are doing, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, all these things, it is recording there in server, recorders every is there. So if you calling any person's night, daytime, any things, the call center will get the record all this. If you do any bad work, okay, any kind of murder or any other rape, any kind of things, if you do, the police will get the report from the center. So all these things are not encrypted or not encrypted. Here all these things are encrypted. No, none of us can do like this. One more company will come. If you see the NASA, whatever the information NASA or our Indian defense. Okay, defense means all kind of police, IAS, IPS, all these things comes under this defense. They also use this intranet. No one can hack this, because if you want to attack to Pakistan, if you use internet, the hacker of Pakistan, they may steal your data. They may steal your data and they can do some other work. So to keep it protect, very like fully encrypted, they use this intranet. Okay. So I think you are getting slight difference between these two. What is internet and what is intranet? See, intranet system in which multiple PC will be connected. Already I told, see if you have the multiple PC, not only one, multiple. How many you want, you can connect, because the server is your own. You can connect your wish. Multiple PC will be connected. An internet system will be connected, available world side the internet. See, it is not available outside the intranet. Who and all have the particular password or particular login password, they only can use that. Others they cannot. Okay, everywhere. If you go to some other country, they will be having the what you call the campus is digitalized campus, university or other in very good institution, digitalized. You cannot go to in. If you have the digitalized card or the password, then only you can go to inside. Okay, so that things are there. Usually each company or organization has their own intranet network for the security of all these things. See, all the big company, they will be having their own intranet to protect their data, whatever the data is there. If you see big post will be there in a company, data management officer, data operator, and different types of there. They are particularly big company, they are using this kind of network. Which network? Intranet. Okay, and all the computer will be connected by the IP address. Already I told, internet protocol. Okay, so you should know the gap between these two. These things I already explained. What is this? Now, see, internet has a very efficient and reliable network system. Intranet, reliable. You can have the faith trust on this. Okay, cyber crime cannot happen here. But in case of internet, there is a chance to get cyber crime. Here there is no chance. Why? And some plus points also there. Means some other merits if you use intranet. What will happen? First is communications. Advantages. Communication means The communication will be very quick here. How? For example, using one route. This is the route. Road. This is road for the internet. Sorry, internet. Okay. Internet. This is one route way to reach anywhere. Internet route. Side one more route is going on, that is called as intranet. I-N-T-R-A. Intranet. Okay. Where the communication will be very quick in case of internet or intranet. Intranet. Why? Because here traffic is very less. Intranet, here traffic is less because it is only for private use. Sometimes what happens, if you go to fill any form or any other site, it takes long time because it's under process, like it shows like this, running under process. What is going on? Because at the same time so many persons are doing the same things. So server getting jumped. So communication is not taking place. Okay. Communication means what you are sending, it should come at you at the end from the receiver or recipient. So you are not getting the actual information from there. Then what you will do? You will go for the intranet because it's very less traffic. So you can get quick access. So communication will happen very quickly. This also same thing. Communication. So communication will take place very quickly. Okay. This is when the Sundar Pichai, he joined the Google. He the CEO of Google, he asked to Sundar Pichai, can you make the whole traffic to this Google? Yes, he told yes, within 1 month I will do that. So within 1 month he made the traffic, the average of traffic more into the Google platform. He made there. So everyone is searching anything Google, not going to Yahoo or not going to Bing or any other search engine. Before that, everyone is going here and there. So he made that track. That's why he is getting now monthly more than 200 crores. 210 something. Okay, communications. Now time saving. If you see time saving, obviously it will save your time because traffic is less means whatever you are searching, whatever you are doing, you will get very quickly. So time will get saved automatically, no problem. In case of internet, time is long time it takes because server is very jam, long traffic. Collaborations will be there. Collaboration means if you see here all in system are connected, interconnected there. So collaboration will be very good, normal. Okay, what is going on inside this computer you can get here. What is going on in second computer you can get from third. So here you cannot do any kind of secret work. Okay, secret work means it's for your personal use purpose. Okay, but in the company you will be using the intranet. For them everything is their family. Company is everything. So whatever you are doing, it should be open to company, not secretly anything. You cannot do. Platform independently. You can do work, your own work independently whenever you want. If you have any password, if you ID you know, you can do anywhere that things independently. Cost effective. It is very low cost. Remember, low cost in a sense, if you do for a company, for a big what is called setup purpose. If you do for your own home purpose, you are using intranet, very very costly it is. Because if you go to BSNL office in Delhi, I went once, BSNL office. If you ask them, I want network, then they will give two options, so that you want internet or intranet. If you tell I want to set up new setup, I want means for my business purpose, for company purpose, then they will give you intranet connection, which is cost more than 1 lakh. Start with 1 lakh. And if you ask for my home purpose, personal use purpose, then internet, it takes 7 to 8,000 only. Okay, so it depends on that. So cost effective. If you establish for a big team purpose, it's very good. Like video conferencing, all this purpose, it should be encrypted. You should not relive. That's why any minister, all this thing, home minister, all what kind of message the program is going on, they are not reliable on the internet. They do work by the intranet. Okay. Next is workforce productivity. Workforce will be there, productivity. Whatever work you will do, it will productive work will be there, not just normally. Means quick answer will be there. Productive work means in a small time how much you can do work. For example, your work is 8 hours, official work. But in 8 hours, how can give you work for 10 hours or 12 hours? That is the work capacity. If you are able to do, that is better. If your server already jump using internet, then you will tell server jump, so I cannot work. This thing happens. So you cannot reach to your target. So target purpose, this is very good. Which one? Intranet. That's called workforce productivity. Then business management, obviously management, time management is there. Then the collaborations, effectiveness, all these things comes under business management. You can manage your client very easily. Okay. Then not for the personal use purpose. See, you have to manage means more than 2-3 things. Personally is not more than 2-3 things. Security, this is very, very important. Security is very, very protected because the firewall, already discussed, firewall will be there. That's why it's very, very protected. In your internet, you can use different types of software for the anti-software, antivirus and all. But there here, firewall will be there. Okay. Specific user, this connection is not given to all. Everyone cannot use. Only for those who having the login ID, they can use. Or immediate updates will be very quickly. If you want to send any file to your friends, then you can send quickly. If you use network, it takes long time. So all these things are the benefits or advantage of using intranet. Okay, so you should keep in mind. Already discuss these things. Communication purpose, efficient email, chat, blogs, all these things. Time saving, collaboration will be there. Platform independence will be there, and cost effective. Discuss already. One picture itself, this picture itself tells so many things. You should keep in mind in this picture. Okay. Yes, if you have doubt, you can quickly ask. Okay. We are talking regarding the internet and intranet. Now intranet. Yes. So you should keep in mind. Next. Work productivity will discuss already. Business management, security also sold. Specific user, immediate updates, that also we have seen. Same thing, just one line I have given here. Now, not only the benefits are there, advantage, disadvantage also there, demerits also there. What issues happen? It tells here. See, issue is 3 level, 1, 2, 3 level. Screen is visible to you. Picture quality okay. Okay. See here, under the management, what problem is happening is called, first is called loss of control. Control will not be there always. If the person is a new person, so joined to that company, he cannot control all the things. Whatever the files you uploaded before or going to upload, he cannot understand that because he is new into that virtual network. He is expert in the internet, but not expert in intranet. Okay. This is second is called hidden complexity. Some complexity will be hidden. You cannot give the all information openly. Something will be hidden. For example, if you see the bank also runs with this intranet only. All Indian bank, SBI, Allahabad, Vijaya Bank, any bank. Okay. So hidden complexity will be there. How hidden complexity will be there? The bank manager, he will be knowing everything, or the CEO of a company, he will be knowing everything A to Z. But who is the junior labor in that company, who is cleaning all these things, washing the tables, all these things, whether he will be knowing everything, even though he is working in a bank. If any person asks third party, where you are working, he will tell, I am working in a bank. If that third party asks to a manager, where you are working, he will tell, I am working in a bank. Whether whatever the information the manager is having, whether that person can have, who is washing or the sweeper, no. Because it depends on the specific things. So hidden complexity should be there in that. Okay. In the same place where the intranet is using, that place the hiddenness must be there. It depends on the layers, official labors, mediocres, or the first person, all these things. And potential to chaos, for chaos. So many information will be there at a time. If you go to the telecom sector, so many informations are there, they are having. So it may get the chaos. Chaos means like here and there it should become. For example, today you need to upload one video. You are uploading yesterday itself or one day before, late, all these things. So chaosness will be there. in this part. So you should take care of that also. If you come to security concern, unauthorized access. Okay, if the person is not authorized, okay, if he by chance if he do illegally, so it creates problem. For example, my Facebook ID or email ID I know. By chance if anyone steal that and he is using posting some other bad things, so strictly public will kill me because that is my profile. But they may not be knowing that is the person who is using unauthorized access. Okay, here also there is a chance. Okay, see, the server is encrypted, no one can do, but when all working under this server, they are only human. They are not getting change means nothing gonna happen. For example, in politics, you are telling we don't want this party, we want that party, particular party. I am not taking any party name, Congress, BJP, I am not taking. You don't want this particular party who is governing now, you want some other party. Party will get changed. But after getting the party, when all officers are there in that particular post, whether they are getting change, they are the same person. So if they are not getting change, their mindset is not getting change, the system is not, bureaucrats is not going to change anything. So society also not going to change. Same thing happens, same politics in institutions, university, college, everything, same here. If the VC is getting change, but those who are in the cabinet in the sense, in the, what do you call, taking the decisions for the VC and all, okay, BOS, all these things, they are not getting change. So, not system is not getting change. Same thing happen. Plus dental service, Daniel service, pocket sniffing. Pocket sniffing means like sniffing means, you know, sniffing dog. Those who are will, what do you call, smell only they can understand. With police they will be there, sniffing dog. So pocket sniffing means if any information you are keeping in a folder, some person will be there in a company, they will steal that information to sell. If they sell in market, they will get more price rather than their salary. So that things can be possible. These are the issue. Okay. So very reliable person should be there. That's why who is maintaining the data in any company, any institution, they are very reliable. Okay. And productive concern here, information overload powers productivity. Information will be overload. So many information at a time comes. If you see any news channel, 24 hours, 24 ghanta, 24 hours, ABP news, anything. Per day they will get more than 100 news per day. Now which news they should telecast and which news they should remove it out. There is so many information is there. So that what is called lower productivity. So to search which one is good, which one is not good news. So based on that their productivity is getting less. That also there is a chance. Plus user set of own web. The user who is working in that company, he can use those informations and he can use his own setup, own web page or own website. Okay, so he can give more charge from that particular web page. It's there. Plus over burden for the informations. The information will be overburdened. Okay, you need only small information for this, but if the information is very long, no one will like. Okay. For example, if anyone asks information, for example, practically, if anyone asks, can you tell the water tap where it is located, I want to drink some water. If you tell water, the component is made of component is H2O. It's made of oxygen, 1 molecules oxygen, 2 molecules hydrogen. Whether that person will talk to you again? No. He will run from there. Because he need water, you should give. So the short and sweet information here. That things is getting. So all these are the issue happens regarding the intranet. Everything has the plus and minus. This is called the minus part. Okay. Now, yes, if you have any doubt, you quickly can ask. Okay. Now application where you can apply. Say the intranet application reside on local server. Okay, local server. That I told, only specific company will be there. They will be making their own server. In case of internet, it will be global wise. Okay, global wise. the application of intranet, that is explained here, document publications and applications 1. Second is electronic resources and applications. Third is interactive publication and application, and fourth is support for internet application. These are the application we can do with this. So let's understand with here. See, the first one you already told, the document publication and application. How, if you are working in a company or in a particular institution, private institution, most of the times the manuals you have to prepare. Okay, monthly manuals, daily manuals, weekly software guides, or the profits, everything you need to make there. Okay, budget you have to make, company budget, everything you have to make that. Okay, balance sheet. So all these things we will make by this. So that's why any big company data is very encrypted. You cannot take those data, and then later on you can publish to any journals or any papers. So that by that only the competency we can understand, that company competency or the income, GDP not, that company income, particular income, or the rank. Okay, who is giving? These are the points are giving that information. Manuals, software guide, or employee profits, all these things, profits, all these things. This person got more profit, or this company is high rank, first rank, second rank, third rank. All these things will be kept secret, encrypted. Then once it will publish, then only you can understand. Plus electronic sources applications like software, different types of software applications will be there. Templates, tools, different templates. You will be making some PPT templates, or any your browser company templates, university templates, or any program templates. So all these things will be done by this only. Okay, you are making any home, means your home, like if you go to the engineer, those who are making the home and all, beam, building, bridge, all these things, they will be using these things. Which things? Intranet. Okay, so that thoughts cannot, no one can steal that. Okay, otherwise if second person prepare already, means no use of that. Okay, plus interactive communications applications, like interactive communication purpose we should use this. Then supportive of interactive applications or internet application before placing them to internet. So before introducing the internet, we need to understand the intranet very easily, because internet will be in global level. Intranet, it's in a particular range. If you do any mistake in there, no problem. But if you do mistake anything, if you post anything, bad image or anything illegal anything into the Facebook, WhatsApp, it will circulate throughout. So your reputation, name, everything is there. So these are the things. Now we need to understand the difference between internet and intranet. See, intranet first and internet next. What is there? It is a localized network. Already I told. Intranet is localized. It won't be for all. And internet is a worldwide network, www. It's possible by everyone. Okay, does not have any class of access of intranet. Anyone cannot use this, cannot access. Those who are having this specific password, login password, they can. But in case of this, everyone can use. Anyone can use. Okay, more expensive. See, that I told. If you want to use for your personal use purpose, intranet is not at all good. But if you want to establish any setup, business, company, then this is very, very useful. Okay, because at the same time you can work, or under you maybe 50, 100 person can work. That's called it's more expensive, and it's less expensive if you do for individual purpose. For a company purpose, you need to go for this. Okay, and here more safe, because firewall will be there. More safe, encrypted everything. Here less safe, safety is not at all there. Okay, any server crime who is doing, he can come and he can steal your data. More reliability is more. You can faith on this, trust on this here, because it will be encrypted, very protected. Here it's not reliable fully. Okay, so this difference you should keep in your mind. Question will be asked from this part. Okay, yes.